Hi you guys, welcome back to my video. I have my boyfriend here with me. Say hey.
What's up? What's up?
So we're gonna do a video because I just subscribed to this subscription service. That was redundant as hell. But it's belly boxes. Y'all probably can't see that at all. Probably not even a little bit. You gonna focus? No, okay. But yeah, belly boxes, and this is my first box. It's pretty small. I have not opened it yet. I have no idea what's in it. But basically, belly boxes is just like a subscription service like all the other ones, except it sends you stuff on a monthly basis for your pregnancy. And I think if you sign up for like a certain amount of time and you have the baby, they start sending you things that are catered directly to the baby. So we're gonna open this up. It's an unboxing. I have not opened it. It's still in the package. And yeah, I'm gonna show you everything that's in it, and then at the end I'll tell you if I like everything off of first glance, and if I think you should subscribe to it or not. And yeah, that's about it. So let's open this and see what's in here, and hopefully we like this stuff, because if not,
disappointment.
I want my money back. Period. You wanna be in the video? You wanna be in the video? I know you do. Come on over here and say hi. Be careful. Alright, this is Aubrey. If y'all have been here for a while, then y'all have seen her since she was like 2 years old. So this is Aubrey. Say hey.
Hi.
She wants to be in the video. She's probably not gonna be here the whole time. So if y'all see her coming in and out, then or doing that, then y'all know what's going on. So yeah, this is the box. It's really not trying to focus, but the belly boxes, there we go, right there. So it came in this little white box. I'm not sure if they're all this size or not. Like I said, this is my first one, so this is my welcome box. And on the side it says www.thebellyboxes.com. So that's the website that you can go to sign up. It gives you long-term lease options all the way up until like doing it month by month. I did the 3-month because I just wanted to try it out, so I can see how a couple months are, and if I like it, then I'll do another 3-month. So when you open it up, it's really, really pretty.
It's cute.
The box is white, so my light is gonna wash it out. But it says, "Congratulations, Mama," and it says, "Share with us. We love to see our mamas with their boxes. Make sure to tag us in your post at the belly boxes, hashtag the belly boxes." And then it has gray tissue paper with a little sticker, and the sticker also says Mama. So that's really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this tissue paper up, and it has a whole bunch of these little like frilly things that are gonna get all in the way. So the first thing that I got is a hat. It's gray and it says Mama, and it's a little strap bag, so it's adjustable in the back. This is actually very, very cute, and I love hats. This gray hat right here that says Bad Hair Day, I wear it all the time. Like no matter what I have on, this hat is on. I don't care what colors I got on, this hat is on. So the fact that this is gray and it says Mama, and I am a mama of like a whole bunch. This one, the other one, like it's a lot of them. So this is very fitting. So this is really cute. Maybe like this?
I do.
It's cute.
Add it to the collection.
And I also got a pair of socks.
Okay, you like socks.
Let's see.
Mommy, I like your hat.
Wait, my hat, you put it on?
And I like how it says Mama.
There.
I have a hat, and I have a big hat that says Mama.
So I got a pair of socks. They're they have, I can't tell what these got on it. Hold on. Oh, it says Prego. The socks say Prego,
Wait,
and it has a donut on it.
I love donuts.
I know you love donuts, but these are my socks. You can't have them. And they're like down here, they're not too thick, but they're a little thicker up here. So these would be very, very comfortable with my Uggs, because they come up to like the same spot on my leg that my Uggs come up to. So those would be really good, especially for the fall, winter. Yep. And I also got a water bottle. It's marble. I can't tell because of my lights in here. My eyes are all messed up if it's black and white or if it's like purple and black. It's like grayish, blackish, and it says Mama, and has a little aluminum top. and it's aluminum on the inside. So it's probably one of those that keeps your drinks cold type of bottles, which is great because I do need to like drink more water. I need more water.
Okay.
You want this too? Gosh,
She want everything.
she want everything. This is really cute, and it's like it's not heavy, but it's sturdy. Like it's like good material.
Yeah.
Probably gonna hand wash it because it doesn't say if it's dishwasher safe or not, and I don't want to put it in dishwasher and then something happen to it. But that's really, really cute. Then I also got a car seat sign, and this is actually from the Belly Boxes brand. I'm not sure if everything else is because it doesn't say on the packaging, but it's a car seat sign that says stop. If you cough or sneeze, please don't touch little me. Mommy thanks you very much.
Oh, we're definitely putting that on the
So
car seat.
this is what it looks like. Then on the back it says child's name, date of birth, emergency contact name, emergency contact phone number, and medical information. So y'all probably can't see that at all because I can't even see it in my screen. There you go. So this is just to put on the car seat. It's like a little tag, and you know, with all that's going on, this whole pandemic that we are living in, this is great because if you're coughing, if you sneezing,
Coronavirus.
even if you're not coughing and sneezing, don't touch the child without permission. But this is great. This is a great little sign that would definitely get put on little man's car seat. Then we also have from the brand Pure Bellamicio, Healthy Skin Starts Here. It's shea butter and aloe vera body butter lotion, and it's in the lavender scent. It says it's a superior moisturizer for all skin types. It's this little jar right here.
Okay.
Hopefully I can get that to focus. If not, then oh well. On the back it just says it's a personal care product that's amazing for skin conditioning, treatment, and to help promote skin elasticity during pregnancy and beyond. It smooths, firms, and helps skin retain moisture, absorbs quickly for a sheer, non-greasy finish. So I have been using the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. If y'all remember from like YouTube back 2016, 2017, everybody was talking about it. It comes like the little yellow orange container. I still use it. So I rub that on my stomach every time I get out the shower, and then I like it on my hands. It smells really good. I don't have any stretch marks. I didn't get them with my daughter, nor did I get them with my first son. So knock on wood, I don't get them with this child. But that is what I use on a daily basis on my stomach. But since I have this, I'm gonna use it. It smells like Vapor Rub.
Yeah.
It smells like Vapor Rub. So I'll probably be using it at night. I use the Bum Bum Cream like when I take my morning showers because it smells really good, so it stays on my skin. So I don't have to like spray a whole bunch of perfume and stuff. This will probably get used at night because it definitely smells medicated, but I am gonna try it out, and if I do notice any differences or if I do like it, I'll let you guys know in my next video whenever I get my next box. So that's that. And then the last thing looks like a t-shirt. And they ask you on the website whenever you sign up what your sizes are. So I did put that I was a size small, just because even if I grow out of the smalls during the pregnancy, I want to be able to wear stuff afterwards. So they sent me this shirt. It's a black shirt that says Mama. It's very, very soft, and it's elastic on the side, so it's definitely a maternity shirt. It's very soft.
Wow.
The word Mama is like screen printed on, so you have to wash this inside out, delicate. Aubrey, I thought I took it off. Oh wow. So yeah, you have to wash this like inside out and delicate because the screen printing will come off, but it's very soft. I'm most likely gonna wear this to sleep because that's my thing, wearing big t-shirts to sleep. It's a small, but it's a big small, but it's a maternity shirt, so it's meant to fit kind of loose. And that's everything that came in this box. Like I said, this was my first box, and it's a welcome box. So I think for a welcome box, like, it came with some really good stuff. You know, the car seat tag, definitely you need that. The socks, you can't never go wrong with socks. Water bottle, like, of course. And like I said, I'm probably gonna sleep in a t-shirt. My favorite thing is probably the hat, definitely. I think it's Aubrey's favorite thing too.
100%.
It's definitely your favorite thing. I'm gonna try the shea butter. Like I said, I will let you guys know how I like it. Right now, the smell is off-putting, but you know, when you're pregnant, nothing smells good. Like weird stuff smells good, and things that are supposed to smell good, they don't. So there's that. I like everything for the most part. We're gonna see how the next box goes, and then I'll be able to use this stuff and update y'all on what this box had, and then we'll see if we like the next box too. So then we'll be able to base if I want to continue my subscription or not. But right now, first impressions, it's good. I'm liking it.
I like it.
Like, money well spent. I'll have prices of everything in the links down below in the description box, and I think that's really about it.
Yeah.
Got nothing else to update y'all on. The stomach poking out down here a little bit.
Wow.
Yeah, we are 26 weeks? 25 weeks. We're 25 weeks. We were 25 weeks yesterday. We have 15 more weeks left. So,
Home stretch.
baby boy shall be here. Get down. February 1st. That's what we're thinking. So, yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit thumbs up. Make sure y'all comment, share, let everybody know. If you know anybody that's pregnant and you want to get them something for their pregnancy, maybe this is a good starter option. You can do it for 1 month and just send them that, see if they like it. And yeah, that's about it. So we'll see y'all in the next one. Anything you want to say? No? Okay. Well, we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
This is great. You see mommy's stomach?
I look cute.